Yo guys, welcome to the Monster Gang. Today, we're going to say goodbye to our lovely car. It's already 13 years old and we're going to switch to a new car. You'll see in my next vlog. We'll have some last trips with this. As you can see guys, it is the NISSAN NAVARA 2007 edition. NISSAN NAVARA with this cool, you know, gel thing, hairline thing, you know, it's such a cool thing. I have a cap on. This cool thing on, yeah, and this is the inside.
Navigation in the car, we have a radio in the car. This radio has magnificent.
Don't
even say it. Has very nice music. So we're gonna listen to this.
Sensual, un movimiento sensual, sensual, un movimiento muy sexy,
Sexy.
un movimiento muy sexy,
Sexy.
Y aquí se viene azul azul con este baile que es una
Bomba.
Para bailar esto es una
Bomba.
Para gozar esto es una
Bomba.
Para menear esto es una
Bomba.
Y las mujeres lo bailan así, así,
Look at this ass though. Ooh. 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 Guys, I gotta connect the car with this thing and yeah, you'll see a quick time lapse from how I'll do it. Oh.
sensual, un movimiento muy sexy, sexy, bomba, todos los hombres lo bailan.
Oh. Yo guys, we out here by the metal recycling and he's gonna put this thing. Okay guys, winner gets 10,000 grams if he dives in this metal mountain. This shit is massive. Look at this. Here it starts. Oh my gosh. So guys, that's some nice metal recycling.
Hi guys from Monster Tube. This is the one of the last trips we are making in this magnificent car, the Nissan Navara. The car is from 2007, so he had his time, 2013, sorry. And this is the kilometers. Have a look at it.
Yo, don't steer then.
Yeah, don't steer, just make an accident.
Yo.
The kilometers are 229,000 kilometers.
Yo guys, fortunately we gotta put this car away. It's already 13 years old. We had a lot of fun with this baby. like and subscribe to be in my next video, and turn on that post notification because you know it. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.